Hello students, the SSOS Lab's first experiment, write a Lex program, recognize arithmetic expressions or identifiers. Expression could be an integers, operators, count the identifiers, operators present and print them separately. Before going to the program, just we should discuss about the what is Lex and the basic structure of the Lex program. So Lex is nothing but this is also called as lexical analyzer, or it is the scanner generator. Lex is the same as a Unix utility. So it is a program generates the design of the lexical processing characters from the input streams. So Lex generates the C code in the lexical analyzer. So it uses patterns that matches the strings in the input and convert the strings to in the form of the tokens. And the basic structure of Lex program, there are the main three steps. The first step is the definition section, rule section, and the code section. So definition section, nothing but includes some header files of the C programs, and the rule section is nothing but it will include all the regular expressions, and the subroutine or the code section means this is nothing but the main program of the C. And the rule sections, the start and end with the delimiters. So beginning and end of the we are using in the delimiters is required for the rule section. If you are not using the delimiter, your program goes wrong. So as well as in the lex, we are using some lex variables. So yy in nothing but the beginning of the pass by the lexers. Yy out means this is nothing but the output of the lexers. Yy text is text matches the pattern stored in the variable. Yy length means the length of the pattern matching. Yy lex means the start the analysis and automatically generate the lex. Yy wrap means nothing but will be end of the file, will be encountered here. And like that, there is a more lex variables as well as the functions will be there. And next one is the main program of the lex. So this one is the category into three types. So rule section, definition section, and the subroutine or the code section. The first one is this part is the rules, sorry, definition section. So this part is the rule section, and the remaining one more part is there in the next slide, that is the user defined subroutine section or the code section. Here first I'm using the in the definition section header files, nothing but the already use familiar in C programming slash include std.h. So same I'm using the same header files. Later I'm initializing the variable by default 0. So here I'm using the variables, so OC as well as the OA, OS, OM, OD, OP, and CB and ID. These are nothing but the variables. The variables by default it will be taking the 0, nothing but the same as the null pointers. The OC means the operator count, OA means operator arithmetic, subtraction, multiplication, division, open braces and close braces, and identifiers. And next, here in this identifiers, so we are using the regular expressions. So regular expression, here I'm using the A to Z capital A to, it takes the both lowercase and uppercase letters. I'm using here the plus and star. So plus means nothing but the one or more occurrences. So star means the match the zero or more occurrences. So small A to Z, capital A to Z. So this is matches the one or more occurrences of the, it will be take the both lowercase as well as the uppercase letters. Here the first letter should be an alphabet, remaining letter may be a numeric. And small a to z, capital A to z, 0 to 9 star. So the one or more uh, this is arithmetic alphanumeric characters. If this regular expression is satisfied, then these all the whatever you have assigned the variables, we will send it to the rule section. So just you can, in this rule section, you can define the all the uh, how many operators counts will be there, how many arithmetic expressions are there. So just you can, so see here, so id plus id, nothing but the identifiers here. So id plus automatically it will be incremented. Why automatically it will be incremented means, so here there are the n number of the identifiers. Suppose if I enter the expression, after the entering the expressions, if you are getting the more number of the identifiers, suppose in the first it will be displayed the identifier 1, so one more identifier will be there in that program. So automatically it will be incremented with help of the id plus nothing but the value will be incremented. So automatically that print the identifiers with help of the YY text. So YY text is nothing but the text matches the pattern stored in the form of the variables. Whatever the variables we have taken, so all the variables will be stored in the form of the YY text. So it will matches the your pattern, nothing but it matches your regular expression. If it is matches, so automatically it will be incremented. After incrementing, all the values will be stored. So same as the, so I'm using the arithmetic operation, subtraction, multiplication, division, open braces and close braces. So how many additions will be there? So with help of the operator count, as well as the operator arithmetic expression. Operator comes mean how total, how many operators are there in that operator, how many arithmetic expressions, how many subtractions, how many multiplication, how many division, so how many open brackets are there, how many close brackets are there. So like that it will be calculated. And this rule section should be start with the double percentage delimiter and end with this delimiter. Then only your codes will be works, otherwise your codes will be not work. Suppose if you given extra space, or if you're extra semicolons, or if you put any special characters, so automatically you will get the errors. And the main program, this is nothing but the subroutine on code sections. So here in this code section, first enter the expression. Here you can enter the any expressions. So for example, a plus b, so how many identifiers there, how many operators there, like that. So if whatever you can take the any expressions here in the in the main section. Yylex means here your function analysis will be starts with help of the uh, output, nothing but the some the input set of the regular expressions which will be associated with some actions that it will be written in the form of the C code. And next, so ident here the operators, it will be checks the operators are more than one identifiers, and automatically the value will be get incremented. So a value is nothing but the operator count will be incremented. Same as, so if id equal to operator count plus 1, so id means the identifiers, the operators are more than one identifiers, so automatically it will be get incremented 1 in the operators. So id equal to oc plus 1, operator count plus 1, as well as the how many arithmetic expressions, sorry, open bracket is there, the how many close brackets are there. So automatically it will be calculated. And suppose if your given regular expression is valid, enter the expression is valid, so this part of the code will be works. Otherwise directly it will be shows the invalid message. Suppose if I entered a plus b, so then, so this expression is correct, so it shows you the valid expression. So after the valid expression, the how many operators are there? So one operator is there. So plus. So how many identifiers is there? The two identifiers. A is identifier and B is the identifier. Then as well as it will once again it will be checks with help of the operator counts. So with help of the in that operator counts how many arithmetic operators are there, how many the operator subtraction, operator multiplication, operator divisions are there, automatically it will be calculated. For example, so in that operator later first it will display a identifier, b is identifier, then later it will be shows the which type of the operator if you are using the plus, like that it will be displayed. Okay, the first open the Ubuntu. In that Ubuntu open the terminal. So after opening the terminal, first type the gedit. First you can install the flex and bison. After installation of these the both things, then automatically their alex and yak will be works. So the first use the this command, the gedit first a1a dot l, nothing but the dot l extension I'm using because I'm using the lex code. So after using the gedit 1a dot l, so like that it will be displayed here. Write the code. After writing the code, save it, then okay, after save, use the lex first a dot l. This is execution step. Later you can use the cc lex dot yy dot c. Here yy.c hyphen la, this is the nothing but a lexical analyzer. So here your code will be starts execution. So I'm using here so lex.yy.c, this is nothing but the lexical analyzer. And later you can use the dot slash a dot out. So this is a normal execution of the all types of the codes, the C, Java, as well as the this one also, the lex. So after automatically it will be displayed, enter the expression, right, type any expression. So a plus b. After enter, a is identifier, b is identifier. After the expression is valid, so number of the operator is 1, then so the number of the operator is 1, the number of the identifiers are 2. Okay, then automatically it will displays the symbol plus which type of the operator if you are using. So suppose if you want to display the invalid messages, because if you're not using valid expression, so 1 plus 2, this is 1 2, so invalid expression.